Hello everyone, just wanted to mention that the property right behind me is up for sale. It is the property with super high exposure on Street Road with 85,000 cars driving by, with several established businesses such as TD Bank, Applebee's, New York Camera. The area around this property is growing and is being developed at the moment. The landing of Southampton, which is personal and memory care, is almost completed. The land right next to it is also being developed. The location of this property could not be better. It's close to I-95, Route 1, and it's located on the major road. The value of this property will go up as soon as construction across the street is fully completed. Take advantage of the current offer and reduced pricing. Use it for your own business or rent it out. The 2.5-acre lot next door is also up for sale right now. Buy it and use both for your own benefit.